him! Hi, Bob!
Hi, Amelia. It's quite heavy.
Yeah, could you bring it inside?
Sure.
Can you put it there, Bob?
Okay. Is this a good spot for you?
Super! Can I get you a drink?
Cool! That would be nice.
Here, Bob.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye! And now, I want a squishy cola. Cool! Nice! He's so cute and squishy! And now, I want some M&Ms. What? I thought I had 2 coins. Oh yeah! I gave one to Bob. Guess I'll have to get some more money. And now, it's my turn. What is this? Squishy? But I wanted real fries. Fruit squishy. I used the wrong button. What? No more money? Amelia's coming! Cool! I need that money. Okay, what will I get? Chips. I want chips. Okay, so coin and now food this time and chips. Yes. Uh-oh. Indeed, uh-oh. I think you used my money, so this is my chips. But yeah, I thought so. Time to leave. Bye! Hey! I think you forgot your squishy. You can keep it! Okay, thanks! Bye!
Stop! Amelia, do a big step! Huh? What's that? Lasers for security. Lasers? Security? Why? Look! And just a push. No, look! Bad Amelia? What is she doing this time? I think she was chewing gums. You're probably right.
Look at them. They have no idea what's coming. I'm gonna get that gumball machine.
Look! There she is! Let's hide!
That. Yes! The chewing gums are mine! No! Huh? Oh.
Avelina! Look! Amelia!
See you later, guys!
Oh, no, you don't!
No, not fair! Get me out of here! That can be arranged. I'm calling the police. No, I don't want to go to jail. I am not getting the chewing gums.
Okay, but only this time.
Go away! Yes! Ah! Hey! I'll get you next time, girls. And we'll be ready for you.
What? My shoe changed? How is it possible? Hey, what is that?
I think it's a magic stick. Let's try it on a tree. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, so funny. Okay, and let's try it now on a little boy. What? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, now let's go to Amelia and Avelina. Brr, I don't like them. You are. Go.
1.
Oh no, that was my bunny.
Let's watch a movie, Avelina. Yay, movie!
Here they are, these annoying girls. Time for some magic.
What's up, Miss Amelia?
Yay!
Here, Amelia.
Thanks, Avelina. Huh? Orbeez?
prank, Avelina? I don't understand. You don't understand, huh? Well, let's see about this.
You also want to drink, Avelina?
More Orbeez, Amelia!
Huh? This is weird. Let's see if they say something about it on the internet, Avelina. Okay, let's have a look.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Not so fast! More Orbeez!
So many Orbeez!
What was that, Amelia?
I don't know, Avelina, but something weird is going on. I need to call the police. Avelina, don't look behind me, but it's bad Amelia again. She escaped.
Bad Amelia? Again?
I have an idea. You stay here and I'm going outside, okay?
Okay, good luck, Amelia. Huh? Where did Amelia go? Well, let's try something fun with Avelina then. There she is. I'll get her. Well, who do we have here? No, I'm not going back to jail again. Woo! I think you forgot something. Oh no, my magic stick. Please, don't turn me into a pig. Oh, this will be funny. Now he's really bad, Amelia. Okay, enough. Let's change her in bad Amelia again. Please no more. Better put me back in jail. Consider it done.
Okay, Avelina. Bad Amelia is in jail. Do you want to watch a movie with M&M's?
Yay!
That was a lot of fun! Let us know in the comments below what you would do if you had this magic stick.
Yeah.
Bye!